which will be designed to fit onto a drone. This is something at the moment that I've gone through with my Year 12 class, and you can see on the end here we've got this extra little piece. That's a separate body, shouldn't be, and that's going to have 2 bolts going through it, which is going to attach to our testing piece of equipment. And over the end here, we're going to hang some weights. So one thing that we need to do start with is just join these 2 pieces together if they're 2 separate bodies. And the way you can check is just come over here, open up bodies on the browser and see if you've got 2 bodies. We can solve it by using this combine tab, and it says select the first target. We select this, either one, it doesn't matter, the truss or the connector. And then the next thing, it will go to the next tool bodies and select here, and you can see that I've got a selection each. This is join, others call it unite. This is a Boolean operation and it joins them together. Next thing that we need to do is to create the little connector that's going on the end here, which is going to carry our hook, which is going to attach the weights to it. So a separate little piece, and it'll be different for everybody. So this is just how I would do it. You're going to have to think about if you've got a different sort of style truss, how that's going to work for you. But I'm going to select on the sketch tool, and I'm selecting on this front face to start with. I'm just going to sort of move that over and zoom into the endpoint here. I'm going to use a tool which is called Project Include. And what that does is I can now include those outside lines into this sketch. And I've got, of the geometry, 3 sketches, one on the outside there, and I just select OK. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just come over here on this line and really, I'm just making a bit of a guess, coming across, moving up about 10, coming out here, about that much, and come down about, this much, and then I sort of come over about this much and then sort of join it up. Now, the most important thing here is that I'm lining up a circle here to carry a hook, and I'm going to make that, as far as diameters go, I think about 5 mil should be ample. No, I'm going to say 7. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure I've got enough sort of space around this that when the hook goes in and the weight's carrying down, it's not going to wreck it. And yeah, so later on I'll 3D print this and I'll just glue it into position when I'm ready. So I'm just going to go finish, like so. And then I'm going to extrude it. So we're going to extrude, I select on here and select again. Now what I want to do down here is call this a new component because I want to print it out separately. And I'm just going to take it across to this side. I can select that side and it will do it to -10 and OK. And now that's in and I can print that separately. So to print it separately, I go to Utilities, I go to the 3D print tool, select on that body, I unselect send to 3D print utility and select OK, and obviously save that as an STL somewhere here on your computer. You'll need to do that. All right, so that's the end of this video. We'll go into the next where we'll look at how to test it in the virtual testing software that we have on Fusion 360.